By the power vested me as a Chartered Governor of NCR 78, induction of applicants and taking of members, call to order. For decades, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, has stood as beacon of service, integrity, and camaraderie.
Sana po maging example po tayo. Mamuhay tayo ng tama, maging example sa ating community. Then, katulad nung sinabi sa ating Eagles team, maging pillars tayo ng nation.
Pagiging bahagi ng Eagles ay bilang isang karapatan, kundi isang responsibilidad. Ito ay manata at paglilingkod ng malasakit sa atin. And having present to you is applicants from various clubs under NCR 78. My fellow Eagles, let us welcome these inductees with open hearts and guide them as they embark on this journey. Their energy and fresh perspectives will invigorate our mission.
Being vibrant to promote and defend at all times.
Sana hindi ito yung una ko rin natin pagkita. Gusto ko maging active kayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our guest honor speaker, Kuya Roderick OG Internacion Marcelo.
Sana po yung mas malayong na kahulugan kung bakit kayo sumali dito ay nasa puso't isipan natin at gawin natin. Mga ate, mga kuya, congratulations po! Welcome to Philippine Eagles at mabuhay ang Agila!
Kuya, ate, friends of Eagles, let's raise our glasses. May we continue to be a blessing to our community and to each other. Mabuhay ang Agila! Cheers!
Hindi lang kayo sumali sa ating organization, kundi sumali rin kayo sa isang pamilya. Sa mga bagong dak, mabuhay kayo at congratulations mga kuya. Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang NCR 78! You have visited me as a Chartered Governor of NCR 78. Our induction applicants and all taking members adjourned.